Phonics friends, I'm Miss Phonics and today we're going to be learning a new sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the ch sound. Now the ch sound is a trigraph because it's made up of 3 letters. The letters T, C and H together make the ch sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the ch sound before, and that's because the letters C and H together also make a ch sound. Ch, 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 ch. But today we're going to be learning this ch sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Ch, ch, ch. Excellent. Now we're going to have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the ch sound. Oh, I found a watch. Can you hear the ch sound at the end of watch? Watch. Watch. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ch sound. Oh, I found an eye patch. Can you hear the ch sound at the end of patch? Patch. Patch. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ch sound. Oh, I found a match. Can you hear the ch sound at the end of match? Match. Match. Excellent. So match, I'll put these away carefully. Remember, never play with matches. Patch and watch all use the ch sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the ch sound. To write the ch sound, we need to write the letter T, the letter C and the letter H. For our T, we start at the top, all the way down, little flick, come off and cross. For our C, we start at the top, we go round and down. And for our H, we start at the top, all the way down, back up halfway, over and down. Now I want you joining in, so let's warm those magic fingers up, give them a wiggle, give them a shake, give your shoulders a big roll. You can use your magic finger with one hand and your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Magic fingers, are we ready? And start at the top, all the way down, little flick, off and cross. Start at the top, round and down. For our H, start at the top, all the way down, back up halfway, over and down. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers ready. Start at the top, all the way down, little flick, off, and we cross. Start at the top, round and down. Start at the top, all the way down, back up halfway, over and down. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the ch sound. Our first word today is which. My turn first. W-I-C-H. Which. Your turn. Which. My turn again. W-I-C-H. Which. Your turn. Which. Excellent. Our next word today is fetch. My turn first. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch. Your turn. Fetch. My turn again. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch. Your turn. Fetch. Well done. And our last word today is hatch. My turn first. H-A-Ch, hatch. Your turn. Hatch. My turn again. H-A-Ch, hatch. Your turn. Hatch. Well done. You've worked really hard today and should be feeling really proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon.